Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Today we have the Porsche GT4 right here. So my brother actually made a few mods with this car and I kind of want to show you what he kind of did. So he put, it's some cosmetic stuff. So he wrapped the hood in matte black, he blacked out the rims, I think they were a little bit silver before, and he put an FI exhaust. So the FI exhaust, it's pretty loud. It's a lot louder than it was beforehand, and the tips look pretty sick. I just don't know specifically how far it is. I don't know if it's a catback or, you know, he replaced the whole exhaust system, but it sounds phenomenal. And we got the boys. So we have Vince's M2, we have Dan's Plaid over there. The thing's so sick. It's so funny because he's the only person that uses that car 100% of the capabilities of the car 100% of the time. It's so wild. This thing makes me so happy. So we're gonna take this in the canyon today. I know I gave a review about it of how to daily drive, but how is it to live with it after, what do you call this, after like 6 months or 8 months? I can't remember how long we've had this car already, and you guys would be surprised how many miles my brother put on this freaking car. It's insane. But he lent me this car for here and there, and so I got to really drive it daily, and I was able to actually move with this car. There's actually a lot of space. Like, it's incredible. There's so much space here in the trunk. You have two cubbies on the side right here. You actually have space right here above, and you have a trunk also. So let me just show you these. Freaking insane how much space is in here. So that's, yeah, so it's deep. Like, I fit a whole like luggage that I would normally take on the plane in here comfortably, and I could probably fit one more if a smaller bag too. It goes on forever. And then here in the back,
yeah, what's in the back?
Here in the back we have more trunk space and a keyboard.
What?
Yeah, we have insane. Like, my brother takes this everywhere, and he brings his computer in here, and it fits. Yeah, and there's a bunch of like dog hair everywhere because he brings his puppy around also. So yeah, you can put stuff right there. It just gets hot because of the engine. Here's the real trunk. But yeah, this car is phenomenal, and it's completely practical too. The only problem about taking this car anywhere is that it's extremely low. So you can see already on the bottom right here, it's already been scratched up and stuff, but that's an easy replacement. I heard it's like around $400, so it's not like such a big deal. But other than that, this car is great. So yeah, we're gonna take this in the canyons. This is the car, this is the one car I would get if I had like 120, well, it's like 150 grand now, but when we got this thing, it was like 100, when my brother got this thing, it was like 100, what do you call this, 110,000 I think. And for the money, I mean, your other options is probably like an AMG GT or something, but I think this handles way better than the AMG GT. Like, it's just so planted and everything. We're gonna take it up to the canyons right now, and it's the great balance between like something incredibly sporty, almost supercar like, but still really good at daily drive. I could not get away from you. I could not get away from you.
Thoughts on the drive so far?
We haven't hit the best part yet, though.
Oh,
yeah, we haven't hit the best part yet. Like, we're here in on the PCH on the 1, and this car, I swear, like in the corners, you just have so much confidence to push it. I've driven some crazy stuff, right? But this thing, I think the way it just, like the power, just the weight of the car, the suspension, everything, even the engine, I think it's perfect. Like, I would not change a thing about this car. Maybe just put a front lift. That's it. Well, front lift, and the Apple CarPlay needs to be wireless Apple CarPlay, because this shit's wired, and there's like no place to put my phone. So like, if I put it in here, I can't access it at all. So yeah, it's like right here's the perfect spot. There's not really a lot of room to like put a lot of things, but at the same time, there is a lot of room to put a lot of things, if that makes sense. Just like everywhere else except here in the cabin. Yeah. I mean, would you get one, Charlie?
Yeah, dude.
Charlie's not a car.
If I could afford it, I'd totally go.
Charlie's not a car guy, but like he gets the vibe.
Yes.
He gets it. Guys, daily driving this car is phenomenal. Like I would not suggest anything else. You have to get the comfort seats though. Do not get the sport bucket seats because that will literally break your back. There's no way you're driving that every day and having that seat. It's so uncomfortable. view is so sick. So we have the Tesla. I could not get away from this man. He was on my ass the entire time. Oh my god, this thing drives. I'm not even reaching the.
I saw you just like whipping by, dude. Like,
I'm not even reaching the limits of this thing, and this thing is. Oh my god, I need more time in this car to really know its limits, because here on the road here, it was gripping the entire time. It was amazing. But yeah, we have this view. So this is called Stunt Road. If you ever go here to Malibu, it's the Malibu Long Hill Trail, I think. I think that's what it is. But yeah, we have the Tesla Model S. I mean, Tesla Model Plaid right here. And this thing is insane. I can't believe how well it handles, because he was on my butt. But at the same time, I was not pushing this car to the limits. I felt like I had so much grip left, but I just haven't had enough time in that car to really fully utilize it. And then we have Vincent M2. He said he was sliding the entire time, which is so funny. I kind of want to be behind him just to see him slide everywhere though. But Vince, you want to lead so I can see you sliding and stuff?
Yeah, sure.
No, I was recording with this. I was going to take pictures of that. Oh, so what do you call this? So we're here on top of Stunt Road, and actually this is a private road, and we decided to take a picture real quick while there's no traffic. Hey! The crazy stuff that you see here in California, I swear, when you go to places where there's a lot of car people.
Get me on the way back.
Wait, what do you mean?
What do you
mean? On the way back. Alright guys, so we just finished up the drive. Driving this was crazy. I actually got to drive the Plaid, and I didn't have my camera with me because it was in the Porsche, but that thing is just stupid. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get a ride with Dan again, and then so we can just film like our reaction. It's insane. Like being in the passenger seat, it's one thing, but being in the driver's seat, oh my freaking holy crap, it's insane. Just knowing that you have that instant power every time you mash the throttle. It's so funny. It's almost as fun as this in a different way. It's just because it's just so stupid how fast it is. It's faster than anything I've ever driven. I mean, LaFerrari, Bugatti, like that thing accelerates. I mean, the Plaid accelerates so super fast. But I think later on, I'm probably gonna get in this thing and whip it around, and then Vince is gonna go in the Porsche, Dan's gonna go back in the Tesla, and yeah. But I hope the footage from the drive was actually not too bad. For whatever reason, my Hero 10 is not working, but I know I charged it for sure. But dude, this thing on the road though, just it, because Dan was driving it, I was in the Plaid and I was following him. It just cuts through traffic like a knife. It's insane. It just looks like a supercar on the road just because of how low and planted it is, and you can tell like other people when they see it, it definitely draws looks, and people get out of the way for it. It's insane. Yeah, then my brother has a really funny license plate. But yeah, this thing is insane. So not too many cosmetic mods, but you know, just adding the black hood I think makes it look so much better. Yeah. We actually have the boys up there. I'm in the M2 now, and this thing is a Hoonmobile. I'm not gonna try to drift it because it's not my car, and I'd rather have Vince show me how to do it properly in his car. But when I get my car, my new car that I want to build out and everything, I'm gonna drift the crap out of this thing. So sick. Bro. Have Vince lead.
You can.
Or whoever.
I mean, I know where to go. I think we all should probably know where to go. Yeah, I have it on my GPS right here. Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh, hey, bro, you go ahead. Go ahead. Go get you some. Go on. I'll catch up, don't worry.
Wait, you want to be behind me?
I just want to hear the lovely noises. Thank you. It's literally instantaneous.
So we got Dad in the front.
There's like no loss.
This thing is so easy to drift. I just did it right. I kind of did it right now, but oh my god, it's so funny. It's so bad. It's so funny because we all have the unit in top radar right here.